As fans are starting to return, we need to give them the confidence that they can walk around the stadium as well as our spectators and staff. As part of that, having a hospital-grade hand sanitiser is really important with ease of access throughout our stadium. And we've partnered therefore with INEOS to provide us with that.
These INEOS dispensers are absolute premium grade. They look fantastic and they have supported us installing over 600 sanitisers throughout the stadium. Some of the high footfall areas, we've used the larger wall-mounted ones. Where we're unable to put in the wall-mounted with the freestanding, assembling them was easy. And then the setup, the calibration was very, very easy.
Since the installation, we've noticed an increase in uptake of usage. I think that's because it's more familiar with people, and so not only outside of the stadium but within the stadium, fans are more akin to using hand sanitisation as part of their daily routine.
All of our guests now, they expect it. Their whole journey from when they enter the stadium to the hospitality suite, they will pass and utilise these sanitiser units. This product is used by our chefs and our serving staff, but more importantly, our guests want to see them using it. It's amazing, you see the players come out and it's one of the first things they do. They use the sanitiser as well as the coaching staff and the opposition as well.
Using a hospital-grade sanitiser gives the assurance and the confidence to those fans, the guests and the athletes that we're using one uniform, consistent approach to any health and safety across the stadium.